back here on Barry's 75 Fleetwood. I don't know if I've actually shown this yet. It's pretty nice. Okay, it's a lot nice. But anyway, I've had a little brake booster noise. So obviously the booster needs to get out and get rebuilt. But I've noticed a few things here. I'm going to stop and turn the light on. So like I said, I've noticed a few things. Obviously someone just zhuzhed up the valve covers. At least they use the right color. But oh my God. Hey Lazy, can you pull it? What in the fuck? Good Lord, holy overspray Batman. Like, tell me you're lazy without telling me you're lazy. Oh, and it gets worse over here. Oh my God. Really? Like, come on. Anyway, I'm pulling the booster. This is a hot mess created by somebody who was in a hurry. Trying to pretty it up for an auction or pretty it up for sale. So it would look good from way back here. But when you get Bobby over here actually working on it and looking at it, dunce. Alright, we got our nuts off. Haha. Anyway. That's cute. That's cute too. Or rattle can fun time, I could see. Note the rust in there, which probably proves that this thing is leaking. Whoop. Oh God. Yucky, 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 yucky. Okay, we need to get a master cylinder too. Joy. And someone had fun with the rattle can. So, for the record, because I've been laying under here taking this out, the fuse for the radio, yeah, it's a little blowed up. Yeah, that's why the radio doesn't work. Booster's unbolted. Just gotta pull the vacuum line off and pull her up out here, and we can give her a look-see. Well, now that we have it out and on the floor, yeesh. Yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Yucky. Firewall looks pretty nice, though. Gotta give it that. So, off to advantage with the booster.